Hi guys, it's a Mother's Day illustration of last day I did. Firstly, take a different layer, start drawing the outline of the skin, draw the proper detailing of the bangles and rings and fill the skin. By tapping on the brush icon and long press on the skin, now start drawing the outline of the sari. Here's a tip, always color the outline or border with a darker color. Start filling the color of the sari. Also notice the small detailings of the sari. You can zoom in the frame for simplicity and use the thin brushes or decrease the size of the brushes for the small details. Covering the sari. Now drawing the color of the bag I am using. Now I am drawing the borderline of my top and filling it with a lighter color than the borderline to make it look more prominent. Filling the top as it was dotted with white. The designs would come the same, but it should look familiar or similar as far as possible. Covering the upper part of the sari. We took a different layer at first so that we are not erasing this main layer. For something wrong gone in drawing, we can use the undo button at the top of the screen. I'm painting this in Iris Paint X. You can use similar apps. Now going to the most important part, the face of my mother. Give a perfect skin tone as it was long pressing something. It can give the wrong color as chooser, so choose the skin color as required. The areas under the skin, nose, lips should be a bit darker than the rest of the face. Also the neck should definitely be darker than the face. Otherwise the skin won't be distinguished from the neck. Draw the necklace with a thin brush. Outlines are necessary. Now going to the hair part. It's the easy part, just do accordingly. Being a little careful every time. Going to my face part. Give importance to the ear part while drawing. It shouldn't get mixed up with the face or it will look too bad. To avoid it, give darker round shapes to distinguish it properly. Here I've done a mistake. Lol. My skin tone has become too much fairer than my much, which isn't. So I'm gonna change the skin tone to match it with reality, doing the hair. And done with it. Doing the neck part with a darker color, as I said before. Correcting the skin tone. Giving color to the hand. Well, it's a big video. Make it sure that the body color doesn't get too different between the neck, face, hands or anywhere else. Covering the jeans part, and we're almost done of our work. Borderline should be done at first and cover the rest part by lighter color. I hope you guys are liking my work. We are almost done to the patches of the jeans to make it look perfect. Please like my video, share it and subscribe.